If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome back to another episode of Saflal's Kitchen, and today we're gonna be making the delicious tandoori fish. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, a quarter teaspoon of chaat masala, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, and some salt to taste. Then in a small bowl, take about 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and to that add all the ingredients I have just mentioned except the gram flour or besan, which we will add at last. And keep in mind, you also need to add the salt according to the quantity of fish. Then take a spoon and combine these really well. Only after that add the gram flour. And why gram flour is needed? It will act as a glue between the spices and the fish. It will just bind the flavor all together. And the yogurt and lemon juice will help to make it more tender or soft. So once these are well combined, keep it aside for a moment. Then take about 1 kg of whole fish, and in my case it's red pomfret. So what you need to do, apart from removing the fins, gills and all, you need to make some incisions with the help of a knife, just like this. What this will do, these will help the spices to get into it. Then after that, apply the paste with your hand or a brush really well on both the sides and from top to bottom. Then after it's done, keep it aside and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or half an hour. Then after that, you may grill it on a pan or in the oven. So to make this, you can do it in 3 ways. First, you can do it just like this by roasting this directly on fire with the help of a hand grill, but in this way, you have to turn the fish in every 30 seconds with the help of tongues, else it will just stick to the grill and it will be really tough to remove it. And also, do not keep it in the same spot. Just keep on moving it so it will give the burn marks uniformly, and in this way it will be done within 7-8 minutes. And if you want to do it in the pan or a skillet or tawa, then on medium to high flame, roast both the sides for about 4-5 minutes and will be completely cooked within 8 to 10 minutes. Then third way is grilling in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, and it should be done. And that's it, tandoori fish. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.